Hey everybody, welcome back to my habitat. Today I have some garden chores I need to get done. Number one, I have to weed my backyard. After I ripped up the carrots and kohlrabi, I realized there was a lot of weeds hiding underneath them. So that is how this video is gonna start. Number two is I need to sow some crops in to replace the carrots and the kohlrabi. And I think I have some other room for something else, I'm not sure yet. And then final thing I'm gonna be doing is thinning some arugula seedlings. So let's get started. So I know I've said this before, that I have vine borers, but I haven't actually shown what a vine borer is or the type of damage they do. So let me show you. So a vine borer will very quickly kill any of your squash plants by simply boring into the vine. You can see the hole there. I think I have a better view of it. You can see all the damage at the base there. There's probably a lot in there. You can see the vine is just splitting. You can see the vine splitting right open. And I'll show you what they look like. Okay, so there's the vine. And then if we open this vine up more, you can see the vine borer right there. That big juicy worm. That actually get quite big. You can see the head there too. Yeah, not enough hate in the world for these guys. And you can even see another smaller one in there, crawling around. Once you have them, there's no way to get rid of them except for taking out the plant. I personally, I'm waiting for some of my squash to finish up ripening. They're almost ready. I'll probably actually leave that bed until that video, because in the next week I'll probably go harvest those squash, take out the plants, and plant something new. So you'll probably see that within the next week. Okay, I'm gonna actually thin my arugula first, simply because the sun's out and it's hot and I don't want to sow seeds with the sun beating against my neck. Definitely not a bad harvest, and that is them all finished up. Now let's go sow some seeds. The seeds that I have are just some good old-fashioned spinach, some purple lady bok choy, French breakfast radish, and a new one which is a black Spanish round radish. Never grown this before, so really excited to have that in the garden. I also wanted just to bring up these cabbages that are looking absolutely dreadful. They have been eaten by so many different types of insects, and they just have never been given a chance to really thrive. So I'm just gonna take them out and put something that's actually gonna thrive and actually produce within the short period we have until winter comes. I'm gonna continue watering our bed. I'm just gonna sign off here. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, stay planting.